So I got a good one for you. In this video, some work from home jobs that pay as much as $2,000 a week and they do not require a college degree. So if you appreciate me doing all this hard research for you, simply go ahead and cheers the like button and let's jump into it right now. So first one on the list is going to be a social media video evaluator, and this is somebody who watches and analyzes videos on social media platforms and then they provide feedback to help companies improve their content. So this is almost like being a movie critic, except you watch videos on the internet and you rate the entertainment value, relevance and overall quality, and considering there are 4.8 billion people using social media worldwide, this is a pretty important position and they make about $42,000 to $75,000 yearly. Now, some of the skills you require for this are strong understanding of social media platforms, the ability to provide clear feedback and attention to detail, and having a finger on the pulse of internet culture. And by the way, here's some opportunity. I'll put them up on the screen. You can check them out. So overall, I really like this one. It's another one of those new careers that's in the content industry. And you all know content is the future. So next one on the list is going to be a YouTube strategist. And this is somebody who basically develops and implements plans to help businesses grow their online brand on YouTube. And a fun fact is, the first ever YouTube video was uploaded almost 20 years ago in 2005, and the title of the video was Me at the Zoo. And another fun fact is, when YouTube originally started, it was meant to be a dating platform. Yeah, seriously, it was meant to be a dating platform where you used videos. Now, YouTube content strategists make about $129,000 to $226,000 yearly. So this is a very high paying and lucrative career. It's also new, so it's relatively easy to get into, and I recommend checking out ytjobs.co. This is really good website to start freelancing on YouTube. And you can even land full-time jobs, and here's some opportunities. You can pause the video and check it out. I'll put them up on the screen for you. So next is going to be a game guide writer. Now this is a really interesting one, again relatively new career because video games haven't been around for that long. But basically you go through these strategies that are involved in the game. You give it to people like a walkthrough of exactly how to get through it. So if anyone gets stuck on a level, they can just refer to the guide. Also, it allows them to unlock new levels and uncover hidden secrets. So it can be a really useful tool, and the game guide writers make about $54,000 to $100,000 yearly. So yeah, the big thing here of course is that you need to be really good at whatever video game you're doing, and you need to be familiar with it. And here's some opportunities. I'll put them up on the screen. You can check them out right now. It could be really good for the right type of people. So next is going to be an online data researcher, and this is somebody who basically categorizes web related content, which helps keep online search results accurate and safe. And data researchers make about $60,000 to $111,000 yearly. So some of the skills and characteristics you might want to have for this are strong internet research skills, attention to detail, the ability to objectively categorize items, and comfort navigating potentially unreal content. So here's some opportunities. I'll put them up on the screen for you. So yeah, this one is pretty good. So next is going to be a multimedia associate, and this is somebody who basically juggles videos, images and digital design to bring information and ideas to life for organizations and multimedia associates. And multimedia associates make about $51,000 to $84,000 yearly. So for this one, you need proficiency in design software such as Adobe Creative Suite and video editing. You need to have an eye for visual storytelling. So here's some opportunities. I'll put them up on the screen. You can check them if you're interested. So that's it guys. These are 5 work from home job opportunities you can do to make $2,000 weekly. And I hope that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.